Good day, it is the owner of Talisman Hire Strand. Today we're going to show you how to get rid of tree trimmings by putting it through a Talisman shredder. This is the heap of trees that we'll put through, and we'll show you once done what the chippings came up to. This would have probably taken about 3 bucket loads, a large Hyundai truck, to remove all of these. And what we'll do, we'll show you the heap that he's demolished or chipped into. Up to 250 millimeter piece of wood. This is what we'll be putting through the chipper. We'll show you shortly. Okay, Talisman staff demolishing some trees. We will now be putting it through the chipper and show you how the chipper can chow this amount of branches up into a small heap of usable chippers up to a 250 millimeter log. Wait for the bucket to arrive. Talisman bucket arriving with the chipper. Talisman Hire. Wait for it to see it at work. Go for it. Barney's now going to start the machine. Open up. Go for it, Barney. There goes the Talisman chipper. What is left of this massive heap of trees that was shredded was merely a small heap ready to be used in the garden. There goes the 250 Talisman chipper to be cleaned for the next rental. Thank you, Hire, Talisman Hire. As you can see, not a branch left, nothing left other than a heap of shredded material that could be used in the garden.